Yeah, g'day guys, my name's James Paulson. I just want to say a massive thank you for checking out my Megalink review and exclusive bonuses. If you want to watch this short video to the end, I want to show you something that's brand new and how you can make $300 consistently starting today. So a totally new way of making money online of $300 plus daily has been released called Megalink. They gave me a review copy, so I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. The reason I'm reviewing this is because it's a very good way for newbies and beginners to make money fast without a list, website or connections. I will be doing a disservice to all of you if I did not review the best products that come out where you can earn quickly. And by the way, I have some incredible custom bonuses for you. These bonuses are going to help you hit the ground running and earning as much as $300 today. More on that a little bit later. So full transparency, I test everything before I make my reviews, so I went through the process just like everyone else, and I always do my tests from a standing start, as if I was a total newbie and without using any of my own assets. And I was able to make $2 by $500 commissions without selling anything, with the Megalink. And in the short time I had tests, I was quite happy with these initial results, and I'll be scaling this up for sure. And in this video, I want to show you how you can copy my results. As you can see, I've made $2,106, and you'll see that live results in a minute. The real benefit to this product is the complete 300 plus daily method that is super easy for newbies and beginners to do. The cool part is that you have not seen it before. This is not one of those recycled products that won't get you anywhere. This is new, it works, and I vetted it with my testing, as I just shown you a moment ago. Perfect for newbies that aren't tech savvy and experienced marketers looking to add an extra income stream. And you can even earn $1,000 or $5,000 per sale with this Megalink. It's not very often a product comes out that is brand new and it works like it says it does right out of the gate. It's quite rare. In other words, without a list or website, you can get in the money fast, and that's what I want for my subscribers. Now, it's still available at the early bird rate, which is literally pennies, and from what I've seen in the members area, it's a steal. You don't see true value like this every day. The Megalink is not some flash in the pan, it's a solid method and done for you system you can build a whole business around, and I'm going to continue to implement and scale as it works so well. It's based around one simple link that pays 100% commissions and gives you an 8-figure mentor and coach who walks you through the whole thing. Whenever you can look over someone's shoulder, it's way easier to implement. And it even activates 7 income streams as well. If you are struggling to get started or want to scale your income, Megalink will get the job done fast. Alright guys, so when you click the link below, it's going to take you to this page, okay? There is a video here and only one link you need to rake in regular $270 paydays on complete autopilot. And the really cool thing about this link, it activates 7 income streams, and as well, it's consistent and it's only $7. So, and it's a done for you system that works really, really easy. And there's over $2 million of proof that this works as well. And as you can see, there's a lot of success stories of people using the Megalink and getting results. So as you can see here, some people even earned up to $60,000 using this Megalink, and even more so, $400 here, $100 there, $1,000 there. There's a wide variety of different success stories. 7,000 of people using this Megalink inside this product. So once you activate it, you very much quickly go straight into the done for you system straight away, and you'll be able to get your Megalink and get started very, very quickly. So guys, when you're ready to grab your Megalink and the exclusive bonuses, just click here and go to checkout, and your bonuses will be waiting on the other side. Alright guys, so now we're inside the actual members area. So this is the Megalink area that you're actually going to get. And you're going to be able to see your dashboard. You'll see that as total earnings is $2,106 here. And your promotion link, and this is your Megalink up here. So as you can see, there's a Megalink right here, and I have a referrer. And what you need to do, all you need to do is copy and plug it into the systems that they show you how to do. It comes with complete training. So as you can see here, you just click on the access the product here once you're inside your members area, and it goes through the complete training on how to use this link and start generating commissions. So as you can see here, this pays 100% commissions straight away, $7, $7, $7. And also you get access to earn commissions on upsells as well, which is really, really cool. So you can earn more monies. And also it keeps a total balance of everything that you've done moving through. So a really cool little thing here, see how I made the $650 commission here. And then if I go all the way back here, I made another $500 commission there. So real proof, real results on a system that really does work. And also it just allows you to start generating, it's really simple, really easy, and a great way to add additional income, to what you're already doing today. So with the Megalink, there are some OTOs or upgrades with this product, and sometimes I recommend them and other times that I don't. So it really depends on how relevant they are to the offer, and in this case, I really do believe they're excellent. So OTO 1 is the Super Affiliate Secrets. The Megalink is a complete done-for-you system and works right out of the box and will make you money, period, as we just shown you in the results. But with the Super Affiliate Secrets, this is a monster. This is an upgrade designed for folks that want to make a statement by earning those multiple high-ticket payouts the fastest and keep them coming in daily. Now, I used this in my testing, and I don't think I would have made those big commissions without it. This is smoking hot. Then in OTO 2, the Megalink Messenger Lifetime License. This is a done-for-you software where they send high-ticket quality leads on autopilot, and you make 5 times more commissions with your Megalink. There is zero setup, and with this upgrade, you can boost your profits this significantly without any extra effort on your part. That's because this upgrade is set up and integrated so that it virtually ensures consistent daily earnings. If you want more money without doing any extra work, then grab this for sure. Then OTO 4 is the Mega Builders. It's a complete done-for-you business. This upgrade will supercharge you to direct success within making money online, period. They provide you with all the tools you need to instantly start seeing results. Honestly, I would have seen success years earlier if I had this. This type of upgrade will speed your way to success within just weeks. With this upgrade, you get an all-in-one Mega Builders tool suite. You get a page builder, so for example, ClickFunnels. You also get a CRM, which helps you manage all those high-ticket buyers coming through. You get an autoresponder. You get an accountability support, so you actually get mentorship and help from this team, and they do provide it. They're excellent. Automation marketing system does all the work for you. You get to earn up to $1,500 commissions, which is priceless. It's nothing beats getting a $1,500 commission. You get weekly coaching from the 8-figure mentor yourself. You also get accountability support. Like I said, 1,500 high-ticket commissions, can't stress it enough. Commissions with the affiliate webinars. So the owner actually does affiliate webinars, and they cookie you to all, the people that you bring in through your Megalink. So if you jump into Mega Builders and you have Mega Builders and they're doing a webinar and someone buys from that webinar, you get big commissions from that. Like I said, weekly group coaching and also community access as well, where you can ask questions, come in and get support. So now for your bonuses. So for the bonuses to help you, they must be relevant to the product, and you'll see mine in just a moment. Don't fall for the irrelevant, useless bonuses you'll see from others. Unfortunately, they'll only just collect dust on your hard drive. My bonuses this time around are about getting you paid plain and simple and setting you up from day one. I want you to be able to walk in and be confident, making hundreds and hundreds per day, and I take care of my subscribers, and I want you to start earning consistently. So by pairing the Megalink with my add-ons, you'll be miles ahead of the rest and able to hit the ground running today. With bonus number 1, 6-figure AI done for you package, and also you're going to profit sell plus done for you package, valued at $1,300. While using the Megalink, I was able to use these methods and strategies to produce me $1,000 daily to help get me my current results with the Megalink. Without these, I doubt I would have made this much cash that quickly. So what I've done for my subscribers to make money right out of the gate, I've bundled the exact assets I used to make the commissions I showed you earlier. This is not available anywhere else, and I'm handing you thousands of commissions alone with this bonus. And then bonus number 2 is the Delta and AI profit pages plus all software upgrades. I want my subscribers to make money right out of the gate, so I had everything I did to generate the income I showed you in my results slide totally automated. So you can just download and copy into one single software. This is not available anywhere else, and I'm handing you thousands of commissions again alone. Bonus number 3 is the license rights to my last 3 products, 60-minute profit machines, 6-figure AI affiliate system, and profit pages valued at $997. You can boost your profits by 100% by selling these as your own product. Without all the expensive trial and error and creating your own winning product, you can promote it as if you were the product owner. I always make a killing when I get the license rights, so why would I go through all the headaches when I can just market the whole thing and collect the cash? Especially with a gem like this that works. Then bonus number 4 is our underground viral traffic profits app. We've built an extra software where you can leverage viral traffic from 50 plus different underground free traffic sources. This sends us thousands of clicks daily to our links, which you will see a wave of viral buyer traffic to your Megalink within minutes. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business and immediately fills that gap in any online biz. This is not available anywhere else, and I'm again handing you thousands of commissions alone with this bonus. Then bonus number 4 is the 3 months access to my Breakout University coaching program, valued at $3,000 annually. Newbies don't usually have access to many of the underground methods that are working right now, or the high-level masterminds that are simply out of reach for most. With just 3 months access, you'll no longer be on the outside looking in, as you'll be shown where the real opportunities are, how to capitalize, and we have a complete mentorship program with the combination of mega builders and team builders, which you get 6 months access with team builders. So you will have direct access to me, a multiple 7-figure producer, for 3 months. And I only wish when I started, I had this kind of access. I would have found success years earlier. So just to give you some scope of my Breakout University program bonus, people do pay $997 a year currently. Currently, their real value is around about $3,000 a year. We've got it currently heavily discounted. So what we've got here, guys, when you get this, you will get, for team builders, you'll get 6 months access. For mega builders, you'll get 3 months, okay? And what this is we just recently sent sales to our students. We sent 38 sales, and we also did over $1,200 in commissions and put money into 19 members of our Breakout University members' pockets, okay? Now, this is really special because a lot of people haven't got sales before, and as you can see here, even Brian made $364 in 1 day, okay? That's just one of the success stories that comes through. And also a few others also got results as well. Mamu got $315 in 1 day. Silas is just congratulating. Glenn did $90 in 1 day, okay? These are just some of the success stories that we send through to some of our students. We've also got classrooms. We have a 6-week fast start program, which you'll be able to leverage straight away. You'll get access to all our past live call recordings as well. We go through mindset, roadblocks, to help people get to make money online, okay? We have weekly coaching calls without fail. We always turn up. We don't, always put it off or anything like that. We turn up, we show up, and we help you guys get successes as well. So as you can see, we have a very, very active community. We're very close-knit. We're a great bunch. And, this is sort of the access that you will get if you pick up the Mega Builder or the Team Builder products through our link. You'll get, either with the Mega Builders, like I said, you'll get 3 months access. With the Team Builders, you will get 6 months access, okay? So guys, it's definitely worth jumping into. This is the biggest bonus. I will not offer this again, okay? This bonus is only available for 7 days between today, June 22nd, through to the end of June 30th, okay? And that once this is gone, this bonus will not be offered ever again, all right? I'm doing very well just selling this by itself. I will not be offering this bonus again ever as of, June 30th, all right? So if you want to get access to this bonus, if you're serious about making money online, you're serious about working with me, you can pick up the Team Builders as well, which is just in here, and I'll give you a little bit of an explanation of what that is, of what you're actually paying for. So with the Mega Builders, like I said, it's $497 one time. With the Team Builders, you get all these products that you normally have to pay monthly for. With the Team Builders, it's $997 one time, okay? So you will get 6 months with Team Builders. You will get 3 months with Mega Builders. And guys, you will love our community just in Breakout University alone. It really all comes down to how serious you are in making money online. If you just want to pick up, a couple other bonuses, then that's fine. You don't have to get the Breakout University, but we do have other bonuses as well. So guys, how do you redeem your Megalink bonuses? I went all out here to provide the best bonus package possible to complement the Megalink. I want to make sure you are getting the best value for your money and my complimentary free bonuses, and I know that you are. So if you invest in the main product for just $7, you're going to get the 6-figure AI affiliate system plus the Done For You package, And you're also going to get my Profit Swirl product and the Done For You package as well, just for $7 if you pick up the main product. If you invest in the main product and any 2 OTO upgrades, which is the Mega Messenger and also the Super Affiliate Secrets, you will get the Delta and AI profit pages, and you'll get all the software upgrades. Okay. And if you also get the underground viral profits at Traffic App. You also get the license rights to my last 3 products, and which is the 60-minute profit machines, which is just currently launched actually, and also the 6-figure AI affiliate system, and also the AI profit pages. All right. Now, if you invest in any 2 OTO upgrades and the Mega Builders upgrade, okay, you'll get 3 months access to Breakout University. If you invest in the 2 upgrades plus the Team Builders upgrade, you'll get 6 months access to Breakout University. Okay, so guys, just a quick recap. It's a completely brand new method, super simple to implement. Anyone can do this. Everything is 100% newbie friendly. No tech skills are required. You don't need a budget or experience for this usual stuff to get going with this. The method you'll discover is very clear, something totally new to the market. You log in, add your link, your Megalink, and you make money. Because this system is a complete A to Z system that works fast, you can quickly go from 0 to consistent daily revenue. So stop buying shiny objects and get you nowhere. Do yourself a favor and get Megalink and my bonuses today. Click the button below to get started. To collect your bonuses after purchase, please email support@breakoutindustries.freshdesk.com. Just pause this page for a minute, write down this email address, and then click the button below. Secure your bonuses straight away. We do have limited bonuses available, especially with the Breakout University bonus. That bonus will end on June 30th, 2024. That will end that day. It will not be extended ever. Okay? So guys, secure your bonuses, get started, and I can't wait to see you inside. Cheers.